Let's subtract rational functions. Like adding, we need to find an LCM. So this one's already factored, so let's copy it. We have x minus 2 squared over x minus 2, x plus 2. And we have a minus sign and a numerator that can be factored. So let's write x minus 2 times x minus 2 becomes this trinomial on top here. As for the bottom, we'll factor out a negative, and we have x squared minus 4. So we pulled out a negative from these two terms. And we know that this can be factored to become x plus 2 and x minus 2. Notice how we have two negatives. We have a negative here and here. Two negatives make a positive. So let's cancel these out. We now have the same denominators, so we can combine into a single term. We have x minus 2, x plus 2 as the bottom, and because we're adding, we can just combine the tops. We can expand this out. We have x squared minus 4x plus 4 from the left part, and from the right part, if we expand it out, we get plus x squared minus 4x plus 4. In retrospect, we didn't even have to factor this. We could have just left it alone. So what happens to the top? X squared plus x squared is 2x squared. We have minus 8x, and we have plus 8. And the bottom stays the same. We can factor a 2 from the top, so we have 2 x squared minus 4x plus 4, and this can be rewritten as x minus 2 squared. So one of these x minus 2's cancel out, so this exponent disappears. So on the top we have 2 x minus 2, and on the bottom we have x plus 2. So this here is a simplified form. Let's simplify this rational expression. Notice how we have division here, but subtraction here. According to BEDMAS, we must do division and multiplication before addition and subtraction. So let's focus on this right part here and leave this left part alone. So we have a minus sign here, and let's begin factoring. We have difference of squares on the top, and we factor out the GCF, x, on the bottom. This division sign, let's change it to multiplication and focus on the bottom going on the top here. So this is going to be x, 2x plus 1, because we have 2x squared and plus x. As for this trinomial, let's factor it to 2x plus 1 and x plus 6. 2x times x is 2x squared. We have 2x times 6 is 12x, plus x is 13x. 1 times 6 is 6. Let's begin canceling. These x plus 2's cancel, and so do these 2x plus 1's. Furthermore, the x's cancel as well. So we're left with, on the right hand side, we have a negative sign in the middle, and we have x minus 2 on top, and we have a x plus 6 on the bottom. And here on the left we have x plus 1, x plus 6, same common denominator. So we can combine the bottoms, x plus 6. This minus sign is in the middle, so we copy it with brackets, x minus 2. The bottom remains the same. We have x minus x disappears, and we have 1 minus negative 2 becomes 1 plus 2, which is 3. So this here is a simplified form.